We're at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. We're at the Sunseeker booth. I'm Bill Hackett, and we're here for the global debut of the Ocean 182. Step aboard with me and let's see what she's all about. Starting on the aft platform, it's a hydraulic that goes down into the water with full safety rails. And then the best part of the platform is the beach area. Check out those seats. You can relax all day long, get some sun. And of course, we have a retractable shade so you can get some protection for the sun. And when you're all done back here, you press a button and it gets tucked away. Here we go a few steps up to the main deck. On this vessel, we have over 1,000 square feet of outdoor living space, and it starts right here. Have a little aperitivo and a cocktail in the evening in this very comfortable settee. The sense of space on this boat is impeccable. We have all one level living, so we have quadruple glass doors which are electrically actuated, and we can just walk on into the salon. Stepping into the main salon, you'll find a gorgeous area with copious amounts of light let in by all the glazing up here. A nice comfortable sofa area along with port side seating area as well. We have glass doors which open up and let the breeze in here. Of course, we have a staircase above, and then we have a beautiful dining area with a day head. So we have 5 staterooms. We have a crew of 5. So everybody's going to be well taken care of because your crew has access to the latest, greatest appliances. Whether you're going to have a little bit of bite to eat or a beverage, it's right here. While you're dining, they'll take care of you. As we step down below, we have accommodations in total for 8 guests in 4 suites. All are fully en suite. In this case, we have 2 cabins amidship on the starboard side. It's a twin setup, and as we move over to the port side, check out the beautiful lighting in here. And again, it's a full setup, fully en suite, great visibility in here, great lighting in here. Now we can move forward and check out the VIP. In the VIP, your guests are royally taken care of with copious amounts of storage, great lighting, very comfortable accommodations. Now let's check out the primary. It's all about luxury in the primary suite. We have 23 feet, 6 inches of beam, which gives you that sense of space. Look at the amount of natural light and overhead lighting in here, which enhances that. Then we have a beautiful coffee sitting area and a makeup station, and the ensuite is impeccable. So let's make our way up to the Flybridge, a very safe, stylish staircase. And as we come up, you can see the generous amounts of light up here. But as we travel to the outside, we have a nice little sun area with a summer kitchen. You can see that British flag out here. And now we have a beautiful sitting area for all of your guests to relax. There's a TV. I don't know why you would want a TV out at sea when you have this fantastic view up here on the Flybridge, because it's stellar. Great visibility. And of course, there's only one helm on this boat. You don't have to worry. You have a captain. He has everything at hand to take this onto any sea condition. Remember, this is built in Poole, England. The British are renowned for shipbuilding, and Sunseeker is its premier builder. Sunseeker does a great job of taking care of the guests because your crew has a nice bar up here on the Flybridge, just adjacent to the helm, that can take care of all your guest needs, so everybody can relax and enjoy the beautiful view. The whole concept for the Ocean 182 is this deck. With the helm on the Flybridge, it gives you an immense amount of entertaining space all on one level. Remember, 3,000 square feet on this boat, and most of the usable space is right here. That feeling of infinite space gets even better because the beach platform on the lower deck rotates up and becomes part of the main deck, increasing the square footage, increasing the sense of luxury. Wow, this is a truly transformative space. Let's move forward up towards the bow. Look how high freeboard we have, safety grab rails. You can see the fantastic glass. Then the light comes in up here. All of your guests can join you up here. We have tons of seating, a nice area to catch some sun, maybe in the evening to relax up here and catch the cool breeze. On both the port and starboard side, we have seating, and then we have a beautiful forward lounger. Of course, we have storage underneath, sound, lighting, everything you need. This Ocean 182 is an absolute gem. I hope you've enjoyed the global debut of the Ocean 182 from Sunseeker.